We're going to be covering some of the account maintenance things related to Lucy Circle. You can see that when we're here in the platform set of pages, right now we're in the home page as if we're logged in. You can see that we have this user account dropdown, so I can go directly into my accounts, or I can go into my settings. At any point, I can also open this help center, which is going to give me a guide and information into everything I need to know about Lucy Circle. But if we want to explore ourselves, we can click right here into the accounts, and you can see that this specific account, which is my personal account, I have a daycare account, and then I have a parent account under the Lucy account umbrella. That means that by clicking here, I can go directly into the daycare's platform, or I can go directly into the parent's platform as well. This is equivalent to being on the home page and clicking Spark or Portal. The other button that we have is this one for settings. And this is where I'm going to have all of my settings related to Lucy Circle. Now, if you haven't gone through this onboarding process, we recommend it. It simplifies the ability for you to set your settings in basically one go. And it's super simple. All you have to do is set your name, your email, and a way that we can contact you and so on. But since I've completed this already, I'm going to be scrolling through it and explaining it to you. So Lucy Circle comes with an icon, so you can click on this at any time. It's random and you get one when you sign up, and you can click on any of them to switch. So I can click the frog one and save, and now I'm the frog, or I can click the elephant and so on. If instead I want to add a personal profile photo, I can click on any of the drives that I have. You see that you're going to have a drive for each of the accounts that you have. So I have a drive for my Spark Parents account, and I have a separate drive for my Daker's account. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to drag and drop one of my photos. It's going to upload it, and as soon as the photo's uploaded, I can click on it, and then I can zoom in, maybe a little more. I can click save, and now that's my profile photo. And if at any point I want to remove it, I can just click on it again, and I can just click remove, or I can change the icon if I want to set a different icon as well. We have all the personal information. To be very transparent, the only reason we ask for a home address and work address is to make your life simpler. This is not data that we collect. This is not data that we sell, and we're not really interested in knowing where you live. It's only for the benefit of you to be able to apply to daycares faster and be able to have to enter in less things over time. And it's totally optional, so at any point you can go into here and you can click here to basically clear your address. We don't save it on the back end. You can have multiple emails, so you'll have a primary email for logging in, and then you can add secondary emails, and then you can do the same thing for phone numbers. You can also connect your Google and Apple account, so you'll be able to log in with Apple, Google, or email, whatever you find easier to do. You can set a password or change your password at any time. And if you forget your password at any time, you can just log out and go through the forget and reset password flow. So when you initially log in, you have the ability to get redirected as well into one of the main apps. So if you would prefer to get redirected immediately to the Parents app when you log in, you can basically set that. And then you can set the same thing for the daycare app or the main platform, basically. You have privacy features as well, which are related to the social features. So you can see if I click edit here, I have the ability to allow people to follow me, to send me friend requests, to send me message requests. I can allow whether I want organizations and daycares to send me requests as well. And then I can basically set if I want to be discovered through the social search based on name, email, or phone number. We have notifications as well, so that you can set exactly the notification settings that you want and how many emails you want to receive. So right now we primarily send notifications with the email feature, and you can set the frequency of whatever you want for each of them. If you complete the onboarding, you'll get a profile that gets created for you with a set of recommendations, which tells us a little bit about who you are, what you're interested in, and what you're looking for from the different apps. And again, this is not for data collection or any analytics for us. This is just to customize the experience for you and make it as easy as possible so you can find exactly what you're looking for. That covers everything in settings. Thanks for watching.